On today, how do I say it? On today's episode of
Dragon Ball Z.
On today's episode of Cooking with Haley. On today's episode of Cooking with Haley, I'm making cavatini. So the first step, Brenda, please, I can't do it. So the first step is you're gonna have some liquor.
Liquor?
So the first step is you're gonna have some wine.
Or liquor.
Or liquor. Just like that. So water's boiling, you're gonna boil the pasta. I'm using large seashells. And you just pour them in. And I put some salt in there too. We're just gonna pour them in. And these cook for 11 to 12 minutes. I'm gonna chop up, what do you call it?
That's the green bell pepper.
I'm gonna chop up a bell pepper. No, I don't. I don't have to salt like anything. I'm gonna chop up this motherfucking green pepper. That's what I'm gonna do. So the first thing that you wanna do is you wanna cut out this middle part, like this.
Core in it.
You're gonna core it.
Yeah. Something like that.
And then you're gonna pull it out like this.
Pull it out like you.
And then you're gonna cut it in half.
Watch your fingers.
You're gonna cut it in half like this. And then you're just gonna slice it up. Start slicing it.
In small pieces.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it in small pieces.
Real small.
Yeah, really small pieces.
Nobody likes chunky peppers.
I do. And next you're gonna take some and just start cutting it into little small pieces. Just like that. I'm all done with the bell peppers. I'm about to take the pasta's almost done. It's got about 1 minute left. And then I'm gonna drain it into one of those little things.
What things?
One of these little things.
What's that called?
A colander. Shut the fuck up. Okay. This is a Vidalia.
No, you're being sloppy drunk. You gotta be.
I don't have to be anything. This is a Vidalia. You can use any kind of onion.
How many do you need?
One small one. You need a. Shut up.
I'm not out of the
Okay. You need a small onion, but today I'm using a large onion because I don't know how to cut them. So I have to use a big one. But anyways, to peel this motherfucker, you gotta slice off these edges right here. This is what I do anyways. You slice off these edges. Randall, can you bring me the trash can, please? Oh my God, I sliced off too much. Anyways, you want to slice off these edges. It makes it easier to peel them. Now you just peel it like that. Anyways, that's just what I do because I don't know what I'm doing. And you just peel it. This is the onion. Now you're gonna slice this motherfucker in half. You're gonna slice it in half and then you're gonna slice it. See how the lines are in this way? You're gonna slice it.
Wow, I didn't know that.
You're gonna slice it. Yeah, you're gonna slice it opposite of that.
That's perpendicular for you fancy folks.
Yeah, this is perpendicular. Whatever, dude. It's not supposed to fall off like that. You gotta hold it up. But anyways, am I recording? Yeah. You're just gonna slice this baby up. Next, you're gonna slice it this way. You're gonna dice it or whatever.
Slice and
It's
dice.
like making it smaller.
Cubing it. This is
Yeah.
caramelized onions.
Makes your eyes water. And then you just,
She's
you
not
don't need
stoned,
the,
she just has watery eyes.
and then you just,
She's
you
not
don't need
stoned,
the,
she just has watery eyes.
you don't do that when it's done.
Whoa. Looks like you're at the Chinese restaurant.
What are you doing? What are you doing there? She's just chilling. What is she doing? Okay, so now we're about to saute the onions. The onions and the bell peppers. And this is canola oil. I'm just gonna use it.
It's pretty healthy.
No, it's not.
It's a healthier option, ain't it?
Whatever you say.
Didn't you say it's
About
healthier?
that much or so. You might have to add some more. And you're gonna turn it on, let's see, like medium, high heat.
Or
Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the pepperonis into fours. So you're gonna cut them this way. God, this knife is fucking dull, dude. What the fuck? Anyways, you can still cut things with dull knives. Okay, and then you're gonna cut it this way to make it into fours.
north to south and then east west. It's like a compass. He almost stabbed me.
Compass?
Yeah.
What's a compass? I've never heard of that before.
You don't cut them anymore?
No, you cut them into fours, like I said.
Oh yeah.
These people are paying attention.
Wow.
This is sloppy. Anyways, they don't have to be perfect. It's gonna taste good in the end. And you're just gonna keep doing that for a whole pack of pepperoni. I don't know what the cup and crisp means. You know what that means? I don't know. This is the only ones that I could find, so I got the cup and crisp pepperonis. And you're gonna cut them all up into fours.
You have to do that so it can be sponsored by us.
Okay.
Socks.
This is what the pepperonis look like. There's some onion right there. That's not supposed to be there. But you just slice up these pepperonis like this. Like that. And now, I don't know. What am I doing next? I'm going to saute the onions and the stuff. The onions and the peppers. Okay, to saute the onions and the peppers, you use the canola oil and pan. And then you're going to turn it on medium-high heat. And get the pan hot. Right, Randall? Get this pan nice and hot. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the bell peppers and onions in since it's like smoking and it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. Did you hear? I've never heard it sound like so aggressive. Did you ever hear it sound so aggressive before? Anyway, you're gonna cook this until it's like all good and brown.
I'm the chef now. This is about what you want. Nice and charred.
Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put in the pepperonis that are quartered.
Yeah,
You're gonna throw those in. Throw them in. Like that. Throw them in. Mix them up, Randall. And then you're gonna use the Classico Family Favorites Traditional. 2 of those. And you're gonna add those.
Whoa. This is boiling already.
You have to use 2 bottles. And now you're just gonna simmer this for a minute.
Oh shit.
Randall, don't make a mess. And you're just gonna heat this for a minute. This is pretty much done. You just get it all mixed together and it's done. So this is what it looks like when it's done. It's just all mixed up. Okay, so you're gonna get a dish about this size. What is this, Randall?
Oh,
What do you think this is? It's like rectangle.
7 by 14.
A 7 by 14 glass pan, or any kind of pan. It doesn't really matter what kind.
Get out the old tape.
What is
9.
this? 9
9
by
by
14 pan. That's what you need. You need a 9 by 14. And the first thing you're gonna do is put the, what?
Shells.
The shells, the pasta in the bottom, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put in some pasta. And this is already cooked pasta.
It says you put shells.
I already lost some, dude. Next, you're gonna put in some of the red sauce with the pepperonis, onions, and bell peppers.
A dabble do you? Damn.
Shut up! I'm spitting all in this. I'm gonna have the corona in it. So next, we're gonna use ricotta. We're using the, how do you pronounce that?
Galbani.
Galbani. Galbani ricotta cheese. And how much is this? 28 ounces of this. This is how much ricotta we're using. And this is the easy peel. I mean, you just peel this off. This is the easy peel right here. You know, the kind that is like around it and it's hard to peel off. No, no, no. No. No, this is easy peel. Look. Oh my God, it's easy. I need a...
This is a hemorrhoid in a can right here.
Should we use half? I don't remember.
Yeah, you probably use about half of it.
So you're just gonna kind of dollop this around. To record. You're just gonna dollop this around because this shit's hard to spread, but it's real good. We like to use extra. That's why I got this big container. Cause it didn't say how
Damn,
much.
that's enough.
Okay, so about half the container, and then you're gonna start spreading it out. Try to get it kind of even, but it's not very easy to do. So you just gotta kind of. Is the oven open? You just kind of gotta. What do you call this? Like spread it out.
Wow. That's looking good.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
What do you
Bob
guys
Ross.
think?
Bob Ross. What does he say? He's like...
It's just happy little accidents.
Yeah, this is just a happy little accident right here. Okay, so next we're going to use some shredded mozzarella. Can you open that?
There it is. What's right there, silly?
I couldn't get it!
It broke.
Randy can't even get it.
The Randy man can.
Don't spill it.
Oh, not right.
Are we gonna have enough room? Yo, it's just.
It's open right there.
Okay. So do you do all of this or just?
I'm gonna do about half of it. 'cause
Okay,
we've
do
done
about half of the
everything else.
mozzarella. And
Just
this is a
eyeball it.
12-ounce bag. You're gonna do about half.
Yeah, you're just gonna eyeball it till you cover it.
I just made him have this. We'll give that to
It's
Maddie.
okay.
We'll just give that to Maddie.
We can give this. If you have animals, animals love cheese.
Little chihuahuas love cheese. He's eating it right now. Oh my god! You gave me so much cheese. He's never had that much cheese at one time. He's never had.
Hey.
Okay, what's next?
Then you just repeat.
What's next? No, we need
Repeat.
Parmesan.
Oh yeah, Parmesan.
So next you're gonna use some shredded Parmesan.
And
You
then
can buy this already shredded or in the bags. It doesn't matter.
It's
and
cheaper
this
if you
is
shred
even-
it yourself.
No, it's not. No,
I learned
it's
that
not.
at work today. It was.
No, it's not. It's actually, yeah, it is cheaper if you shred it yourself, I think.
Yeah, it is.
But anyways, I just already buy it like this. You can do whatever.
That's because she's got big YouTube money.
Okay, Wendell. What's
Now
this
what
like?
here? Now you repeat, I think.
Oh my god, this pan's not gonna hold it. Okay, so next you're just gonna do pasta again.
Now you just put the cheese on it again.
What do we got? We got some more ricotta.
Ricotta.
So
Ricotta,
look, you
mozzarella.
can see the doggies in the background. There's nuts.
Yeah.
Peanut. Let me
Where are you?
Okay, so the ricotta cheese is the most important because it's the best. This is our favorite. Okay, if you have any, whatever, you just give it to the dogs. You just get it off the table and give it to the dogs. Okay, so the next step is you're gonna finish it off with some Parmesan. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's done. It's just a big old thing.
350.
And now you're gonna set your oven for 350 and you're gonna cook
Do
it
that
for...
before you do all this.
Yeah, preheat your oven to 350 and you're gonna cook it until it's brown on top.
And bubbling.
Yeah, brown and bubbling with the cheese.
Melting.
Yeah, just make sure the cheese is nice and melty.
Yeah.
Okay, once the oven's preheated to 350 degrees, you're gonna put it in there in the oven for how long? Until it's bubbling and stuff. You're gonna put it in the oven until the cheese is melted. Right? Oh my god, the fucking thing. The goddamn thing. The pan. I have to take this out. Oh my god, it's like 10 pounds. I have herpes. I have herpes.
That's what they didn't take so much off the top and on the side.
Not fucking big or something? Like, how big?
You're real round.
Stop. I'm twerking.
Working.
He wasn't.
You can't
It looks like the Cavatini's ready.
I want to end the stream on a big high note.
Oh my goodness, it's ready. I gotta take it out.
Oh.
It's the Cavatini is ready. It tastes so good. What? You say that was good, remember?
Oh
Is that catchy?
Oh shit, go fire department.
Call the fire department, the Cavatini's done!
Oh, no, it's heavy.
Careful, don't spill it!
Do I have to show it? You can show it.
It's too hot to show.
Wow. Looks like shit. Very.
The Cavatini's ready.
The Cavatini's ready.
This is what it. This is what it looks like when it's done.
Oh wow! Look at that golden brown cheese.
Oh my goodness, it's so
Oh
good.
wow! So juicy.
Goodness. It's done.
It's done.
It's done.
Wow.
Kiss me. That means he loves me.
Kiss. He's good.
Kiss. No, kiss. Okay.
I wanted to say something.
I'm gonna edit it anyways. Okay, so the next step, I'm recording now. So the next step you're gonna do is you're gonna get some water because you're fucking thirsty after this big ass meal that you just made for your face.
This looks bad,
Right?
but I'm gonna die.
Turn it off!
That's where it ended. So,
So you're gonna get you some water and you're gonna
thanks, I'm Shrubs.
pour it into the glass. And then you're gonna eat your food that you just
Was
made.
she hot? No, she was like undead. Like an undead.
Excuse me.
Excuse me!
Spatula. Spatula.
I'm gonna spill it. Are you gonna serve them?
Is it ready?
Hold on. You have to drink some water first, like I said.
Alright, now I just gotta wait for the timer. How's the,
Spill a little bit. I spill a little bit. Okay.
take my goose and stuff somewhere. I don't know.
Good now?
But I need to buy more goose food. How are the
Okay.
fish?
Brenda's gonna give us some on this plate.
Still pretty big.
So like her.
Oh wow.
So this is what it looks like when it's all done. I gotta zoom in on it.
Zoom in on
My
my
dream goes are off the bat.
Oh my god, it's so juicy. So cheesy.
Love ricotta. Ricotta cheese. Oh wow.
Rudy's, I got barbecue
If
sauce.
you want guns like these, you gotta eat like this.
Other things.
Let me try it. Hold on, it's not zoomed.
Rick got really excited when I said, does anyone want Rudy? He just loves
Okay.
protein.
It's ready.
Because he's a fucking
It's hot.
So it's like, oh my god, Robert's turkey.
You have to try it on the camera. You're gonna
Try
try it.
it.
Hold on, we gotta blow it.
I know it's hot as fucking Satan's butthole.
If I have to fucking listen to that thing, I will freak out.
Mmm. It's good. I fucking love this shit. I got it all over my fucking hand.
Imagine being a girl chasing
Oh,
with PVC all along and you just want to
God.
no.
God damn. God damn, it's good. I swear, this is the best. This is the best.
She's dead.
I was just trying to show the fucking thing and it just fell off.
That's good.
I know it is good.
Good Cavatini. Oh. Wow, look at that really soak it up.